Flavorman is the industry leader in beverage development, but making your drink taste the best isn't the only way we ensure our clients' success. Included in every standard project agreement are 6 essential services. Delivery of 100 prototype samples for you to use to secure investments into your business, show off to distributors, and share with your friends and family. Detailed blending instructions for your co-packer to use while mass producing your beverage. We'll take your formula from milliliters and grams to gallons, pounds, liters, and kilograms. On-site quality control. Our experts will travel to your first production to ensure your beverage is blended and packaged correctly. We want to make sure your 100 prototype samples taste the same as the thousands your customers will purchase. Nutrition facts panel and ingredient statement to ensure your product meets regulatory guidelines wherever your beverage is sold. FDA or TTB compliance review. If you're selling in the United States, your product may need to be approved by the Food and Drug Administration or the Alcohol and Tobacco Trade and Tax Bureau. We will advise you on any additions or changes that may need to be made to your label before you submit them for review. Certification assistance. If you intend for your product to be labeled as GMO-free, organic, kosher, or halal, we can assist you through that process. With our beverage development expertise, along with these additional services, we work with our clients from start through finish. Visit flavorman.com to learn how we change what the world is drinking.